Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. They had a really good day in court today. Your stock went up 16.74% because another pharmaceutical company by the name of Teva, they do generic drugs. So once a drug typically goes through its patent period, pharmaceutical company earns a patent and they're given a certain amount of time to be exclusive for that drug. And Teva was violating a patent, infringing on it, and Catalyst successfully had the courts and the legal system pretty much get Teva away from a drug that's important to them. So with that out of the way, the stock really rallied. This is a stock that I'm invested in. I really like the company. It is a small cap. I mentioned that healthcare does have a good number of companies that I think offer a good investing opportunity for investors because the fundamentals look really good. Let me show you where I'm looking at fundamentals and the fundamentals that I think look good. So starting with the PE. This is a growing company, as I'll show you in a second. But a PE of the current year, 19, and then forward year, which is 2025, of 17 is very good. Analysts like the company, discounted by 36%. Now, this is a growing business, 32% growth. They're about a $460 million business. They're profitable. They have good margins of 84% gross margins, and they've been growing their free cash flow. So the fundamentals are sound. Their growth shows that more customers want to buy their product. They're probably getting a higher number of customers overall. Doctors are really liking the Catalyst Pharmaceuticals for their patients. All those things show this is a healthy business. Now, one thing that the Fubo acquisition by Disney shows that these small caps, you never know which one's going to be acquired, but really solid businesses like Catalyst and others, I think are good acquisition targets for bigger players, especially in the pharma space where they're trying to find a way to grow. So this is totally one that I would say could be an acquisition that a bigger pharmaceutical company comes in and offers a substantial amount above its current stock price. So I like that about it. I've had about maybe 3 companies that were small caps be acquired. And on each occasion, I was paid a really nice premium on my stock price. And it's a pretty much overnight deal. So that's really fun. It's not something I'm expecting. I just kind of play the odds and feel that small caps, there's going to be a higher number of acquisitions now that we have the Trump administration. And I think Catalyst is a good target for a lot of the larger pharmaceutical companies. So I showed you their revenue growth. They have really good free cash flow and their balance sheet's really solid. Their balance sheet, they have just $3 million of debt. They have $442 million of cash on the balance sheet. Strong balance sheet, producing more cash, defending their patents. All things look good for Catalyst, and they had a really nice day. This was the winning stock in my portfolio, and it went up. I think I made about $5,000-$6,000 on Catalyst just today. So it was a really good stock, and it really, I guess, made my day.